Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I'm MissCheriess. In today's video, I'll be doing first impressions of Korean makeup, almost like a full face of Korean makeup. We all know the Korean makeup. They are known for their healthy complexion, the glowy, dewy skin, not so much full coverage matte, and they're not known also for like full glam eye makeup. So I still got almost like everything, guys, but the shades, I mean, they're not great with their shades. So the foundations, 3 shades. I think I saw 2 brands, they only had 2 or 3 shades, and I was like, oh my god, no. So I did not get the foundation primer. I think they had 2 different primers, but I was just like not interested. So I got everything in here, guys. Oh, sorry, in here. And also I got eyeshadow palette, which I never tried Korean eyeshadow palette like ever. Alright, so first I'm going to show you guys the new Innisfree eyeshadow palette. This one retails for $26. They also the like cool tone one, but similar, I think similar shadows or shades. So I got like a warm tone one because I was like, maybe their shadows gonna be light, because Korean makeup, they're known for their light, not so much full glam makeup. And I got the Before Sunset, sorry, yeah, there you go, Before Sunset eyeshadow palette. So this has, sorry, 1 2 3 4 matte shades and 4 shimmer shades. When I got this one, guys, it reminded me so much of the Natasha Denona bronze eyeshadow palette. It was like a mini Natasha Denona. I have the Natasha Denona in here. Let me show you guys, like their bronze eyeshadow palette. As you can see, guys, similar, oh my god, similar, like mini Natasha Denona palette. So I am applying right now the Danessa Merrick's eyeshadow primer. Okay, so first I'm gonna use this one right here, guys. So this one is the Before Sunset eyeshadow palette. $26 is still a little bit it's a little bit pricey, to be honest, and only has 8 shades. Ooh, the pigmentation's not bad at all. It's a little, you know, dusty, like, you know, most shadows are. I'll be taking this shade, this one right here. It's like right on top of the transition shade. Okay, this one, okay, so this is very buildable, not like pigmented, very pigmented, which I do not mind at all. I actually like pigmented shadows and buildable shadows. Okay, next I'll be applying this dark brown shade just to give my crease a little bit of like dimension. So I'm just gonna use this, see if this actually blends out good with the rest of the shades. Alright, so I am applying this, show you guys, sorry, this shade on my eyes right now, on my lid. And wow, this is pretty. You could also use this color as a like an eyeshadow topper, because it's not very like thick, or like, yeah, thick formula. It's almost like a eyeshadow topper formula. Next I'll be trying their excuse me, whew. What do you call this? I got eyebrow pencil, but liquid liner. I got this. Let me, where's the liquid? Okay, so this is from the brand Mamonde. I don't know how to pronounce this one, guys. I'm not gonna try to pronounce. I'm just gonna write down the name. This is the long-lasting liquid eyeliner, defining liquid, long-lasting liquid eyeliner. I'm gonna also type down the price of this because I do not remember. So this is long-lasting liquid eyeliner for light, quick, and easy application. And I tried this brand, their skincare products, and I really love them. Okay, so this is in the shade black, of course. So I'm not gonna do like a dramatic wing eye because Korean makeup, they're not known for a dramatic wing eye. I'm gonna do like a really thin. I'm gonna try. Also, this is not a sponge type, a felt tip. It's a brush. It's a little bit more difficult if you are a beginner. More difficult to use than a felt tip liner. Because this one you don't have that much control because the bristles is gonna go anywhere. So I'm just gonna swatch it, guys. Oh, that's black. Wow, that's really black. I'm very impressed. So let's see how this thing goes on the eyes. So that went very easy. Oh my god, I'm gonna say I get impressed with this. Wow. And I think my line is not that thick. I hope so. Another from this brand. So this is called Big Eye Volume Lash Mascara. Mascara for maximum volume and naturally extended look of eyelashes. You know, I love to wear false lashes because, you know, I need to wear false lashes because this makeup, I'm really liking it. So this is in the shade black. I think they also had brown, I believe. So this is the, yeah, it's the bristles of the bristles really short. So I don't know if I'm gonna like this one. So let me try this right now. Okay, so I'm gonna do another layer, second layer of this, because my non-existing lashes are not doing fine right now. Yeah, 3 layers. Not a big fan of this one. I think this would be great also for lower lashes, perennial lashes, but not so much like, I mean, I don't know, guys. I don't even see my lashes at all. So I'm just gonna move on, guys. I'm just gonna apply my foundation because I did not purchase foundation primer. I use the same complexion products. I'm gonna go back with, I'll be back with the concealer because I purchased concealer from Innisfree. So I hope that I got the right shade. So I'll be back, guys, and yeah, I'm gonna move on with concealer. I have the this is not the concealer. Where is the concealer? Okay, so from this brand Innisfree, mostly like Innisfree brand. Okay, so this is called the Velvet Cover Concealer. This one retails for $9. It says in here, I have the shade in M30, a full coverage cream concealer that provides coverage of skin imperfections for flawless looking skin. So I think they have more than 3 shades. I'm gonna write down the information somewhere on the screen, guys. And this is the packaging. It's a squeezable type packaging, $9 for 10 ml. So let me squeeze it out. Ooh, oh my god, I squeeze out way too much, and it smells. It does have that like herbal smell to it. It's very like thick and creamy. I kind of like the smell though. So I'm gonna wipe this with the this wipe because I squeeze out way too much product. I'm gonna apply a little bit just to see how this concealer goes. This is a full coverage concealer. You know, I love full coverage. Concealers because, you know, I have a lot of dark circles and veins under my eyes. So this blended out right away, almost like a water-based concealer. I still can see my dark circles. Okay, so I already applied 2 layers of the concealer. I still can see my dark circles and veins. So definitely not a full coverage. It's light to almost full coverage. I like how it blended out on the eyes. I like how it felt under my eyes. Very lightweight. I think almost like a water-based concealer, but the coverage, I'm not a big fan of the coverage. So I'm gonna apply another layer with this one, and then I'm gonna move on with my brows because I purchased their eyebrow pencil. So this is called the Auto Eyebrow Pencil. In the shade Pencil 2, it says Pencil 2. So they only have 2 available shades, and all the rest of the shades are sold out. So this is the darkest one, and this is not a precise like thin pencil. Eyebrow pencil actually really thick. So after a while, guys, this thing is gonna lose its shape. That's the thing I do not like about this type of like eyebrow pencil. So after a while it's gonna lose this shape, and you know, I have really uneven brows, so for me really like thin brows, like thin, like precise brow pencil is very very important. So I was like really interested about the color. I was like, you know what, just, you know, try it out. So this is also this side is the brow brush or comb on the sides, very very soft. So I'm gonna fill in my bald spots. So I really like the brow pencil because, you guys, when I do like this, my brows don't look red. That is so, oh my god, I really love the color. Just the type of pencil, the shape of it is gonna lose its shape after a while, guys. It's the only thing, but I really like the color, like how I applied on my brows. And my shadows still look really nice after 2 hours. Okay guys, so for my lower lashes, I'm gonna be using a shimmery on my lower lashes because Koreans are known for their shimmery. They're not known for smoky, like very full glam. They always apply like a shimmery eyeshadow on the under eyes. So I am gonna do the same. I think I'm gonna be using this light gold shade for my lower lashes. No matte eyeshadow, just this one. Just makes the eyes, I think, look younger and fuller. So next, I didn't purchase the bronzer because they only had 1 shade, and also highlighters, they only had 2 shades, and they look really like light for me. So I only got this one from this brand, Mamonday, Flower Pop blusher. They also I think they also had the cushion type of blush. So let me show you guys the blush. I smelled this one earlier and smelled like a strong perfume. This brand's known for their like very strong perfume smell. Oh yeah, it does smell, has this really strong smell. And this is the color, and let me swatch it for you guys. Ooh, that is pretty. Oh my god. It's a it's almost like an iridescent, yeah, it's iridescent blush. It is so pretty. Okay, so for the lips, I only purchased one. So this is the Creamy Tint Balm Intense from this brand again. And I have the shade in 01 Bouquet Nudie. So I'm gonna open this up. So it's very similar to the ColourPop lip crayons, which I have. Let me show you guys. Ooh, that's actually not a nude color, but okay, I'm just gonna try this on my lips right now. This is the completed look. I also added the Natasha Denona lip gloss. So now I'm gonna tell you guys my thoughts about the Korean makeup products that I purchase. So this one is the Innisfree Velvet Concealer. I like the shade. I like how it applied on my under eyes, but the coverage did not like at all. It was a light to almost medium coverage. So personally, not my type of coverage. I like medium to full coverage because of my dark under eyes. And then next one is the this brand blush. This is in the shade what shade is this one? I don't know what shade is this. So this, I really love the formulation, applied very easily on the face. This is an iridescent blush, but still very, 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 very nice. Next one is the eyeliner. Oh my goodness, this one was so easy to apply, although the brush is not a, what do you call it, full tip, it's a brush type, but still very, very, very easy to apply, very black. And you can see, guys, very, very nice. I really like this. The mascara, I did not like this one. Didn't do anything with my short thin lashes, but I am using this one. I'm wearing this one for my lower lashes. It was really great for separating the lashes, not volumizing, lengthening. And then next one is the brow pencil. Love the brow pencil, like I mentioned before, guys. So this is not like a, like a really thin pencil. It's really thick, like a triangular shape. So after a while using this, it's gonna lose the shape, or it's not gonna give me a precise application. But I love the color of this one. See, guys, it doesn't look brown at all, and it was really, really easy to apply. It wasn't too creamy, but it's slightly dry, which I like, because I do not like super creamy brow pencils just in general for my brows, because my brows are really I have some bald spots and uneven, so this one's really great. What else? So this one is the last one, I believe. Yeah, this is the last one. So my battery is dying right now. So this one has got to be my favorite product. Yeah, so this one, oh my goodness, guys, this is the before sunset. Reminds me so much of the Natasha Denona. I feel like this is like a mini Natasha Denona bronze palette. Oh my goodness, very, very similar formulation. I don't know where this is made from. Made in Korea. Oh my goodness, guys, this is so beautiful. All the shadows blended beautifully. I didn't have issues with them. The shimmer shades are really, really pretty. They applied very beautiful on the eyes. Overall, I don't have issues with this. I really, really, really love this, guys. And then last one, the lip thing. So this one, it was really dry. It was almost like a powder formula, which I personally did not like at all. I like a little bit of glossy on the lips, so that's why I added lip gloss on my lips. So the color really, like, I mean, it was a light pink. I'm not into pink shades, pink lipsticks. So yeah, I don't know about this one, guys. I'm gonna have to use this one a little bit more. I wish it was like a dark brown. I love dark, like nude lip or brown shades for my lips. But well, I mean, not bad, not my favorite. So those are all the products that I purchased. Okay, purchased from, or that I purchased from new Korean makeup that I purchased. At the end of my video, please don't forget to subscribe on my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all on my next one. Bye bye.